Hello guys, and welcome back to another one from PJ Travels. In today's video we are taking you with us to the Vertical Sky Suites, which lies in the sacred Valley of the Incas at an elevation of 3,300 meters above sea level.
Wow. Oh wow. Oh my god.
This place was a once in a lifetime stay, rewarding us with incredible views, shooting stars at night and a real connection with the sacred valley. Come along with me and Jada on our Peru adventure as we stay in one of the most unique places in the world, hanging off the edge of a cliff at the Vertical Sky Suites. Oh my god, we're about to be picked up to go to the Vertical Sky Suites. It's gonna be mad. It's gonna be mad. It's a late check-in. It was 2 p.m, so we've been kind of kicking around for a little bit, but finally getting picked up. I'm a bit nervous, but yeah, we're doing it tonight, boy.
Yeah, we are. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go. Just arrived at the top of the Vertical Sky Luxury Suites, and the ride up was pretty crazy. It was literally on the edge. This is incredible. I can't believe how high we are right now. So I think if I manage to stay here tonight with no qualms, no hassle, then I've officially conquered my fears. This is like the final boss, the final test. See how windy it is? It's raining a tiny bit, the clouds come over, it's all gloomy. But yeah man, we're gonna head back inside and get a little debrief on how we actually get to the rooms, and we'll show you around.
This is purple core.
Ah, gracias. Thank you.
Welcome.
Cheers.
Yeah. Cheers. Yeah. This is the river, Wilcamayo River. This is Sacred River.
Okay.
Yeah? And we have many mountains.
Okay.
This mountain is Veronica, and the other name is Wakawiki. Means sacred tears.
Okay.
Yeah. Because this mountain has many waterfalls. Yeah. This is tears.
Ah, okay.
Here we are, currently just at the restaurant. We will be staying in the capsule that you can see just behind me. We just had a nice welcome drink, a little introduction. I'm kind of excited, low key, like I'm probably buzzing to get into the capsule. It looks sick. Like the views up there are going to be so panoramic. And also, which I actually forgot, there is a hot tub in the room. So it's going to be unreal. It's going to be unreal. I can't wait to get there. So we've just placed our dinner orders and we're fully kitted up. So now we're going to head to our room. Yeah, our suite. See you up there. Off we go. Wow. You don't want to fall off of there. That's for sure. Come on, little duck. Got the carabiner. We've got 2 carabiners each. What you do is you just clip one and then you clip the other. And then we descend. Down we go. Jada said I might need to put the camera in, but nah. Down we go. Jada's taking ages as usual. It's not just getting ready that she takes long doing. At this point, you only take one carabiner off. One time. Okay. Clip one. I'm like a professional at this shit. I mean, don't look down. Wow. Don't look down. Okay, so we've just been given the option to do either the scary one or the non-scary one, which is that one. You don't need to descend into it. And obviously, knowing us, we chose the scary one, so don't look down. Don't look down. So this is the descent. Why did I agree to this? I think I was drunk when I agreed to this, I can't even lie. On a scale of 1 to 10, I am about an 8. So I've just looked down and we are fucking high. Oh my god. I think I need to change my carabiners, which is not ideal. When you turn around, it's horrible. When you turn around, it's horrible. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, so I've just changed both of my carabiners. I'm coming down. I'm fucking scared. It's hella windy. Oh my god, wow. Okay, this is going away. I can't do this. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. I said I would die for the content. So here I am back on cam. Going down the ladder, shit in my pants. But get this bad boy back up there so you can see. Wow, this is incredible. This is light work, man. Who said this was scary? Who said this was scary? Yeah, no, I don't know who said this was scary, but it weren't me. Jada first. You're not attached on this one. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, all good?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Oh wow. Oh my god. Guys, we are here. We are in there. Vertical Sky Luxury Suites. Here's the bedroom with the amazing panoramic view. Obviously that curtain's closed at the moment because we've just got here. And I'll turn around and we have 2 beds here just for our stuff and storage. We have a mini bar, we have all of that good stuff, and then look at that panoramic view. Wow. And not only do we have the view, look what we have in the room. We're being spoiled. Let me just pull back this curtain and just show you what we're seeing right now. So he said stand on this. No, he didn't say that. These are the panoramic views. It's absolutely incredible. Me and Jada smashed it. We done it. Her hair's messy, my hair's messy, but we did it. We climbed down and this place is incredible. I think someone's getting a bit too excited. She's getting in the hot tub without the water.
No, I'm just want to open this because it doesn't need to be cleaned.
Guys, I can't believe we're here. This place is incredible. We've got dinner booked for 6 p.m. It's 20 past 4 at the moment. I've opted for the chicken dish and Jada is going to try the llama, which is crazy. Apparently it's really good though. So yeah, just going to rest up, maybe take a little shower or bubble bath. Currently cozy in bed, half an hour until dinner, and then we got to strap back up and get back into our harnesses.
Yeah, we have to climb all the way back to our restaurant.
Yeah.
But it's going to be kind of scary because we're meant to go at 6:30 p.m, but I don't know if
It's kind of almost sundown.
Yeah,
so
that's what I'm saying. I don't know if it's going to be dark.
I wonder how we navigate in the dark. That's going to be fun.
I know that our helmets had lights.
But also, when we wasn't attached to the side, there was like bits where there was a sheer drop. So I don't know how, like...
Exactly.
Because it's very dark and very, very narrow, that
Yeah, because when you're like not doing like the actual climbing, there's a bit where you're just walking, like the small little roads, and it's just a drop. There's no like safety, no nothing. You're just climbing
So we'll
up
see.
a mountain.
Yeah, we'll see how that goes.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to dinner because I'm hungry.
Oh, this is so cozy. I can't
very
believe
cozy.
we're here.
Very cozy. Okay, so we are both locked and loaded, ready for dinner.
Yeah.
We're just sitting in our capsule waiting for the guide.
Yeah.
So far the experience has been really, really good. Highly recommend it to anyone who likes a bit of a thrill.
Yeah.
It is a challenge to get to the pod. Like
Yeah.
the height is a lot to deal with. But once you're down here, the view is absolutely insane. So if you can stomach the height, definitely worth it. What do you think?
Yeah, I feel like it's worth it, at least doing it once. Like, you don't
Yeah.
have to stay here for a few nights, just at least one night.
Just one night.
And to be fair, if you didn't want to actually stay in one of these hanging capsules, you can stay in a dome as well.
Off we go to dinner. Out we climb. Literally almost pitch black.
So out I climb. Guys, we are climbing in the dark. We are climbing for dinner. You can't really see anything other than my helmet light. Jada is just below me. I need to swap over my carabiners again. But this is insane. Yeah. Follow the path. Follow the path. Just follow the path down. In the dark. Ooh, scary. I don't know if the GoPro picks up the stars, but wow. You can see the whole galaxy. Oh, it's getting windy up here. Wow. Kind of helps that you can't see how far the drop is. That kind of helps. Actually, it doesn't kind of help, it helps a lot. We're almost at the restaurant, I can see it. Okay, so I've gone for the chicken and chimichurri, and Jada has gone for the alpaca.
Mate, I can't believe I decided to go for this. I was just cuddling. But you know what? I mean, you're in Peru. This is like their special dish. So
Yeah, this is a traditional
I just
dish.
want to try it. It's not something that I'm going to be eating like that, but I just do want to try it.
It looks very nice, so yeah, bon appetit.
Apparently the meat is sweet. They have no fat. It's like, yeah, probably good meat.
Bon appetit. Okay, so Jada has had a moment to try her dinner, her alpaca.
Yeah.
And how did you find it?
It just tastes like, as if you're eating like lamb or beef. Like, it's just very similar.
Yeah.
There's a slight different taste, but it's not a major difference.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite nice.
That's good. I mean, it looks like a bit of steak. So I went for the pancakes with chocolate.
That looks nice.
Yes, so today at this candlelit dinner, I'm having Inca Cola, which is a Coca-Cola product you will see somewhere, made specifically for Peruvians. So about to give that a taste.
How's it taste? I'm not gonna lie, that looks very appealing.
It's good.
I need to try some.
It tastes like iron brew,
Oh,
but like a Peruvian iron brew.
like
It's very nice.
so the Peruvian colombiana.
Yeah, exactly.
I need to try it.
That's so good.
I need to try that.
We just had a dinner.
Yep.
And now we're gonna go back to, you can see, but now we're gonna go back to our capsule.
Yep, just had a delicious dinner and heading back down. Okay, so we have just arrived back in the pod. It's nice and toasty. So we're gonna go to bed probably in a bit. I'm gonna do some stargazing because
You can literally see
everything. Yeah.
Ceilings of glass and you can see the moon. It's so nice.
And then see you guys in the morning. Adios. Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
Okay, we have just woken up. It is 6:30 in the morning. To be fair, we did miss sunrise because we was up at like 2 o'clock looking at the stars. We literally saw about 10 shooting stars. It was just so magic to see the whole galaxy. But yeah, I had a really good sleep and it's very clear today. It's currently a very fresh and beautiful morning. We climbed out of our little pod or our luxury suite just to get some drone videos whilst it wasn't too windy. There's like no wind at all. The views are just incredible. It's panoramic up here, except for behind me. So I don't think you can class that as panoramic. Maybe like a 200-degree view, but it's absolutely magnificent. So incredible. You've got obviously all the mountains in the background. You've got the old ancient town down there. But yeah, we're fresh. We're up, ready for the day. We're gonna go get some breakfast, and then actually after this, so we're just staying here one night. After this, we're gonna be staying in the dome. And the dome, I don't know if you can see, is down there. So it's not as scary as this, but it's still gonna be pretty scary. They've got a really nice menu of cocktails, but I was just thinking, do I really want to be drinking alcohol up here? So I'll have to see how easy it is to get to the dome, because I definitely couldn't drink and come to our pod. That'd be stupid. Peru is absolutely stunning. I can't believe what Peru looks like. I mean, you see a lot of people go in, they go to Machu Picchu, etc. But we've gone to quite a few of the old Inca ruins, Inca towns.
and just up in the mountain, it's just incredible. Honestly, it's just incredible. Like right in front of me here is like a snow-covered mountain. But so far, having such a good trip. The stay in this place, I'd highly recommend to people who like a bit of a challenge, want to be a bit daring, you know, want to live life on the edge a little bit. Do you know what I mean? You have got to climb and descend into your pod, and then you are just literally on the edge of a cliff. But it's so worth it. I mean, at night, so we stayed up till 10, 11, the stars were really, really nice. But then Jada woke me up around 2 or 3 and we just saw shooting stars just all over the galaxy. It was so sick. Can't even explain it. It was just one after the other. It was magnificent, man. So sick. So yeah, had a really good night and just looking forward to today, really.
Thanks for watching, and a special thanks if you made it this far in the video. We absolutely loved our stay at the Vertical Sky Suites and would give this experience overall a 10 out of 10. I've put the link to their website in the description. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up to date with all of our adventures, and I'll see you on the next one.